Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Kalpana Sharma, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, S.P.C, Govt College, Ajmer. आज मैं MSc फाइनल एंटोमोलॉजी के बच्चों को बायोलॉजिकल कंट्रोल के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। लास्ट टर्न पे हमने काफ़ी सारे पार्ट्स के अंदर केमिकल कंट्रोल को ख़त्म किया था। आज हम देखेंगे बायोलॉजिकल कंट्रोल। सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि व्हाट इज़ biological control. So, biological control is defined as the action of the parasitoids or parasites, for example, nematodes, predators and pathogens like viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoans in maintaining other organisms' density at a lower average than would occur in their absence. Or we can say, in other words, it is the utilization of natural enemies to reduce the damage caused by noxious organisms to tolerable levels. Now, what are the various organisms which are utilized in biological control? They are number 1, parasitoids and predators. Number 2, parasitic nematodes. Number 3, microbial agents like baculoviruses, bacteria, fungi, and protozoans. सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं parasitoids and predators. The major parasitoids used in biological control belong to the order Hymenoptera, the example of which are ichneumonids, braconids, chalcids, eulophids, trichogrammatids, wasps. In Diptera orders, it is trachinid flies. Among the predatory insect, they belong to order Coleoptera, example is ladybird beetle. Order Neuroptera, example lacewings. In Diptera order, hoverflies and robberflies. In Hymenoptera orders, the predatory insects are certain ants. Now, first of all, we are going to discuss the approaches of biological control utilizing parasitoids and predators. There are 4 approaches in biological control. In utilizing parasitoids and predators, they are namely conservation, augmentation, inundation, and introduction. B is the development of a biological control program. Definition of taxonomic status of a targeted pest. Collection and evaluation of literature on pest and natural enemies. Thirdly, selection of exploration area and collection of natural enemies. Fourth is study of biology and evaluation of natural enemies. Selection of best natural enemy or enemies for introduction, importation, and further evaluation of natural enemies. Sixth point is development of mass rearing introduction and guidance program. Seventh point is introduction of natural enemy in the field. And the 8th one is the final evaluation of the effectiveness of natural enemies in the field, including benefit analysis. Next one is the criteria of parasitoids and predators for use in biological control. They are number 1, synchrony with pest population. Number 2, high host/prey searching efficiencies. Number 3, density response. Number 4, survival during adverse condition. Number 5, host/prey specificity. Number 6, ability of host discrimination. Number 7, potential rate of increase. And the 8th one is the mass culturability. The next point is development of a biological control program. Is a definition of taxonomic status of a targeted pest, collection and evaluation of literature on pest and natural enemies, selection of exploration area and collection of natural enemies, study of biology and evaluation of natural enemies, selection of the best natural enemies for introduction, importation, and further evaluation of natural enemies, and the development of mass rearing, introducing and guidance program, introduction of natural enemies in the field, final evaluation of the effectiveness of natural enemy in the field, including benefit analysis. D is the enhancement of biological activity of parasitoids and predators. Number 1, manipulation of habitat. Number 2, genetic improvements of the parasitoids. Number 3, manipulation of behavior of adult parasitoids. Number 4, artificial food supplement. The E is the part where feasibility of biological control. Tolerance limit of injury. Number 2, cost benefit ratio. Number 3, cost duration. Number 4, origin of the pest. Number 5, pest complexes and desired level of control. Number 6, availability of selective insecticide. And number 7, availability of insecticides resistance. Thank you.